Hi children, I am James. I will teach you today English lesson 2. The topic name is The Magical Book. Okay children, before start this chapter, let me ask you one question. How many of you have seen magic? I think many of you have seen magic, many of you have not seen. Okay, don't worry. Now, what is the meaning of magic? Magic means the art of doing trick that seems impossible in order to entertain people. Now, in this story, there are 4 story characters. First one is Harish, second one is Harish's mother, third one is Amit, Harish's friend, fourth one is Mrs. Jaya, English teacher. Okay, dear students, now I will tell you a story. The holiday was going to finish. The school was about to open in a week. Harish was watching TV when his mother called him from the other room. Harish, are you ready? The school counter closes at 12 o'clock. Therefore, they had to make haste. They had to hurry up. Because of that, Harish immediately, hurriedly put on his shoes and shouted back, "Yes mom, I am ready, I am waiting for you near the car." Harish and Harish's mother were going to school for buying books of class 3. Okay? Harish had one friend. He had one friend, his name was Amit. Amit was very good boy. As soon as Harish got new books, he started turning them pages. He started turning all the pages and read once or so one glass and finished. Okay, and that time all the pages were very neat and clean. All the pages were looking very neat and clean. Okay, they were very shining. On the way, when Harish and Harish's mother were coming, that time Harish's mother warned Harish, "Remember Harish, you are a big boy. You should not tear any books pages. Okay? You are a big boy. You must treat books gently. And you should not tear books pages for making boards, for making rockets." Okay? Harish was good at studies. He was playing basketball well, but he had one bad habit. He was tearing books pages. He was touching all books pages with dirty hands. He was throwing books here and there, and many often he was losing books and copies. Okay? Because of this reason, because of that, Harish's parents were very angry with him. They scolded him many times, but he did not listen to him. Now, the school reopened and classes also began. Harish very proudly carried all his new books to school. But within 2 months, all the books were looking very different. All the books were in bad condition. Because of this, his mother decided to teach him lesson, because all the books were looking very bad, and English notebook had no cover, mathematics books pages were missing, and Hindi textbook was or Hindi book was torn. Because of this, Harish's mother felt very upset. Because of that, Harish's mother decided to teach him lesson, and because of that, Harish's mother went to school and met Harish's English teacher. Harish's English teacher name was Mrs. Jaya. Okay children? Together they made a plan to teach him lesson. Now, on Monday morning, Harish was getting ready for school. Then he started searching his English notebook. He did not find anywhere. Then he asked his mother, "Mom, have you seen my English notebook? I am not able to find." Then Harish's mother said, "No, Harish, I did not see you. I did not see your English notebook, where it is kept." Did you check your bag? Did you check your shelf? Once again, children, Harish asked his mother, "Mom, have you seen my English notebook?" Then mother said, "Did you check your bag or bookshelf? It might be somewhere it is kept, okay?" Then Harish said, "Oh mom, I'm not able to find, I cannot find. Today Mrs. is going to scold me." Then Harish's mother said, "Okay children, okay child, now it's time to go. We'll go. Your bus is also waiting for you, and I'm also getting late for my office. Okay?" Now they went to school. Later in the class, Mrs. Jaya asked all the students to take out English notebook. Okay? And she gave students question paper and ordered them to write answers. That time Harish was looking here and there. And in his eyes, tears was there, okay? He was looking here and there with tears in his eyes. It means he was crying in mind. Now, Mrs. Jaya asked Harish, "Harish, where's your English notebook? Why are you not writing?" Then Harish said, "Ma'am, I have lost my English notebook." Then Mrs. Jaya said, "Oh really? I'm not surprised. In fact, last night I had a dream that many books and copies came to me and they were complaining about you. Many books were shouting and complaining about the little cruel child or children who were hurting them. And all the books and copies had decided to hide themselves from little villains, from little cruel children." Okay? Then Mrs. Jaya said, "Oh, then my dream is coming true. My dream is coming true. Harish, I will ask you one question. If somebody is pulling your nose, if somebody is pulling your ears, if somebody is pulling your hands, do you feel pain? Of course, you are feeling pain. So same way, books and copies or all the books are also feeling pain. Okay? How you are feeling pain? Same way, books and copies are also feeling pain. Okay?" Now Harish thought for a moment. Harish's mother, Harish's father, and all his teachers as well as grandfather also were angry with him because of one bad habit. Harish had a very bad habit. Okay? Then Harish said, crying, "Oh ma'am, please forgive me. Please give me one chance. I promise I will be very careful with my books. I'll never misbehave with my books. I will treat books very neat and clean or gently." Okay? Then Mrs. Jaya told Harish, "Harish, go home and check your bookshelves. I am sure your books and copies or your English notebook is in your bookshelf. You will find anyhow. You go home and check your English notebook in yourself. You will find. Okay? But for today, you take test in your rough copy. But remember, Harish, don't ever tear pages, and try to keep all the books or try to keep all the pages neat and clean. Do not touch with dirty hands. Don't tear your pages." Okay? And that time onwards, Harish learned a lesson. Now Harish was very surprised by seeing his notebook in the bookshelves. As soon as he came home, he saw his notebook was kept in the bookshelf. Because of this, now Harish came home. As soon as he came home, he saw his English notebook in bookshelf. He was surprised. He was amazed that how it came, from where it came. The English notebook was right there in the shelf. Okay? And he said, "Oh, Mrs. Jaya was telling me in the school that he had a dream. Many books and copies were complaining about little cruel children, his dream came true. Okay, so dear children, this was the story of the magical book. Okay, the magical book. Understand? And at last, I think you have understood this story. Now let me tell you the value of or moral of the story. What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is that you should treat books gently. You should not tear your books. You should not hurt them. Okay? And here I have written so many word meanings. Okay? Vacation means holiday. Football means war. Glossy means shiny. Live through means turn quickly. Misplace means lose. Okay? There are many words meaning. Please go through words and memorize. Okay? And please read this story 2 or 3 times for understanding better way. Okay? If you read, you will understand very well. Now, I am saying to you goodbye. We'll meet in next video. Okay, thank you. Take care.